Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes easy method to reinstall Bluetooth drivers on Windows 11. First method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Bluetooth, uninstall all Bluetooth and devices. Restart system. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Windows Update. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Uninstall all Bluetooth and Bluetooth devices. Open any browser, type Intel Bluetooth driver on browser search bar. Find your system type. In my case, system type is 64-bit. Download and install application. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.